Good morning, guys. Today, I'm going to make mango shake. Okay, so these are all the ingredients. You have the sliced mangoes, and this one for the toppings, and then sugar, and then fresh milk. Okay, and then ice also. Add the mangoes. Add a sugar. 3 to 4 tablespoons of sugar and 400 ml of milk. Okay. And then we're gonna blend. Okay, nakita na. Okay. And then we're gonna add the ice, guys. I want to add some more. Okay. And then we're gonna blend it. Okay. So we're done with that. So it's done. I put 2 big mangoes, 4 tablespoons of sugar, and then 400 ml of milk. Okay. And the sweetness is just enough. It's good. Mmm. Mm. Okay. Because it's not super creamy. If it is super creamy, you can add the mangoes. Okay, guys. So we just do like that. And then that's our mango shake. And then I'm going to taste medal. Okay. Mm, it's very refreshing. You can feel the mangoes and then how do you call that? The milk. And then it's very refreshing. And the sweetness is not, it's not super sweet. I put only 4 tablespoons of sugar. Mm, it's super refreshing, guys. Refreshing. Mm. Okay, guys. If you need more recipes, please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, D Bruja, to my Instagram, D_bro_ja, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show. Please follow and subscribe on my Facebook page and Instagram. And then to my to all my accounts, the YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook page, and to my personal blog. And to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.